Hey there, this is Shini. So while doing my graduation, I was super concerned about my career. Then I found myself interested in digital marketing. But here I need to face the biggest question, that is where and how I'm gonna learn about this course, because I knew nothing about the digital marketing. So my learning curve was very steep. After doing a lot of research and read heaps of reviews, then guess what? I got to know about the DigiVend Training Institute with years of experience in marketing professional, and they are providing the opportunity to upskill your skills by learning the best digital marketing courses in India. Everybody can find the definition and theoretical knowledge from Google, but we all know practice makes perfect. So here you will get the exposure to do a lot of practicals, case studies and much more. Besides, they have excellent courses to grow within the marketing professional. The course gives you an overview of digital marketing with all the division for both new and existing marketing professionals. If you want to build your career in digital marketing, DigiVend is the right spot. I would highly recommend this course. Please do apply and share your learning experience as well.